IFi Audio have launched their version 2 of their Zen Air range of products. Now, we're talking about 3 in their lineup. They've updated all their all their older Zen Air audio products. Now, we have the new Bluetooth receiver version 2. They have it now in this new lineup, and they also have a new phono stage version 2, and then they have a DAC headphone amplifier version 2. So let's discuss, because they have done wonderfully well with these 3 new products they've released. Let's start with the Zen Air Bluetooth receiver. It's an upgrade to the original model. They already had the regular Zen Air, the regular Zen Air Blue. So this is the version 2 model that has more of an updated features that I'll list out below for you guys. They also have the new Zen Air Phono 2 Phono preamplifier. Then they have the Zen Air DAC 2, which is a USB DAC headphone amplifier. So let's talk about the most obvious one, which is the Bluetooth receiver. The Zen Air Blue 2, that's the version 2. It's been designed to add Bluetooth to your system. It doesn't, that's if your system doesn't have Bluetooth already. And also the Zen Air 2, the Zen Air Blue 2, it's not just a Bluetooth receiver. It's not just a compact wireless receiver, but it has an onboard DA conversion. So that's what you get inside of it, and it comes with Bluetooth 5.4. It comes with Bluetooth 5.4, and it supports aptX lossless audio files. It supports LDAC up to 999 kbps. It also supports SBC. It supports SBC, it supports AAC, it supports aptX HD, it supports aptX Adaptive, and also it uses a 3-stage Bluetooth architecture rather than an all-in-one solution, and it has the ability to separate audio better than the typical Bluetooth receivers you see sold by other companies on the market. And also the company says that they don't want distortion in this particular model, so they have tried to make it as noise free as possible with the internals that they have used for this build quality. And also it's coming with Qualcomm's QCC 3095 Bluetooth chipset inside. There is also an ESS saver DAC inside. There is a custom op amps for the output section. That's what you're getting here as well. Now, to power it is not difficult. It accepts 5 to 12 volts DC power, so it's easy to run it if you want to power it. Then if we now step to the next product, which is the IFi Zen Air Phono 2, that's their latest MMMC phono stage. Now, the new Zen Air Phono 2 is an entry-level phono preamplifier. That's basically what it does, and it's built, at least it's aimed to better basic phono stages built into many turntables and budget amplifiers. Then one thing with this particular model is that there is a rare gear section, a rare gear selector for moving magnets and moving coil cartridges. It has a subsonic filter that is designed to reduce induced low frequency energy without noticeably thinning the bass out. And also it has a very high quality chassis, even though it's not that expensive. So it's a beast of a model. And then the final one, which is the new IFi Zen Air DAC 2. This is a USB DAC and headphone amplifier. It's a bit big, so you might have to consider where you use it. It's more or less, I would even say it's a desktop level USB DAC headphone amplifier. It comes with a 4.4mm balanced headphone output, and it comes with new Cyrus Logic DAC stage inside. It's a beast of a model. 4.4mm is the balanced connection you get with it, and the fact that it comes with a Cyrus Logic DAC means it's a big deal, but it's not really like mesmerizing by any stretch, but it's a good model. And it also comes with X Bass Plus. This X Bass Plus is able to boost low frequency, while there is another feature called PowerMatch. So it will add around 6 dB of gain for quieter sources and harder to drive headphones. So the Zen Air DAC 2 is coming in a midnight blue finish. That's the colors you're getting it in. And look, for all these models, the pricing, every single one of the three is priced at £129 if you're buying it in the UK. It's also priced at $129 if you're buying it in the US, and also you can buy it at €149 if you're buying it in the European market. So €149 for the other European countries. Like I said, this price is for every single one of the lineup I've discussed here in this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this content. Go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow us here. I'll see you guys very much next time.